Did you know that King David, the guy God called a man after my own heart, once committed adultery and murder in the same week? Talk about a spiritual low point. Picture this. David's chilling on his palace roof when he spots Bathsheba taking a bath. Instead of looking away like a gentleman, he sends for her, sleeps with her, and whoops, she gets pregnant. Now David's in panic mode because her husband Uriah is off fighting David's wars. So what does our godly king do? He tries to cover it up by bringing Uriah home, hoping he'll sleep with his wife. But Uriah is too honorable and refuses to enjoy comforts while his fellow soldiers suffer. David's solution? Send Uriah to the front lines to die. Yikes. Enter Nathan the prophet with a story about a rich man stealing a poor man's only lamb. David gets furious at this injustice until Nathan drops the mic. You are that man! David's heart absolutely shattered. He wrote Psalm 51 crying out for God's mercy. And here's the beautiful part. God forgave him completely. In fact, Jesus himself came through David's family line. That's grace, folks!